This is Keaton here with Sewer Rental Specials here at 543 East Monroe Street, Carlton, Oregon. Here currently doing a post-liner sewer video. Here we're at our main, dropping in. It's the end of our liner right there. You can see it 90s into the main. Pull back as an inspection. This is all approximately 4-inch terracotta. There's some 30-34 in here. But this line was full of solids and mud. It was clogged before we had hydrojetted it. There are some broken joints in it. Towards the end, you can see that major offset that we had to line over. Line still does hold a little bit of water. You can see there it's all covered. I just want to do a turn. It's an approximately 67-foot liner. That right there is the start of our liner. Dug it up, put an ABS connection. We're starting to come up through the clean out. That is where we dug right there. Clean out is there. This clean out is located to the right side of the house. That'll conclude this post liner sewer video.